Hare Krishna. The most auspicious Kartik month or Damodar month is starting from October 20th. Whatever one does for Krishna at any time, at any place, under any circumstances, is to one's eternal benefit. Neha bhikramanashosti pratyavayo na vidyate swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, in this endeavor, there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on this path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear. Such is the benefit of devotional service in general. What to speak of the benefits of devotional service in Kartik Mas? Among all 12 months, the month of Kartika is very dear to Lord Sri Krishna. If somebody performs a little worship of Lord Sri Hari in this month, he offers that devotee his own abode, Padma Purana. The result one obtains by giving 10,000 cows in charity can be obtained by offering only one tulasi leaf to the Supreme Lord during the month of Kartika, Haribhakti Vilasa. A person who happily reads the Bhagavad Gita in the month of Kartik does not return to the world of birth and death. The pious result obtained by bathing in all holy places and giving all charities is not equal to 1/10 million part of the result obtained by following the O of Kartik. In the month of Kartik, which is very dear to Sri Hari, one who bathes early in the morning attains the merit of bathing in all places of pilgrimage. Anybody who offers the Lord a ghee lamp in the month of Kartik becomes free from all kinds of sins, and he goes to the abode of Lord Hari. Tasmad vratatrayam hetam mamativa priyankaram magha kartika yostadvat he vai ekadashi vratam. Of all plants, the sacred Tulasi is most dear to me. Of all months, Kartika is most dear. Of all places of pilgrimage, my beloved Dwaraka is most dear. And of all days, Ekadashi is most dear. Padma Purana, Uttarakhanda. The festival of offering lamps to Lord Krishna, which glorifies Krishna's pastime of being bound with ropes by Mother Yashoda, observing Vrata, austerities in the month of Kartik, is glorified in the Puranas. It is also mentioned that one who offers ghee lamp to Lord Damodara in this auspicious month and sings the Damodara Astaka, 8 verses glorifying the Lord, will get rid of his past sins and develop bhakti to Lord Damodara. As Satya Yuga is the best of yugas, as the Vedas are the best of scriptures, as Ganga is the best of rivers, so Kartika is the best of months, the most dear to Lord Sri Krishna. When one offers a ghee lamp during the month of Kartika, his sins in many thousands and millions of births perish in half an eye blink. The following references are from Skanda Purana. Even if no mantras are chanted, no pious deeds performed, and no purity observed, everything becomes perfect when a person offers a lamp during the month of Kartika. Offering a lamp to Lord Keshava in the month of Kartika is equivalent to performing all yajnas and bathing in all holy rivers. When someone pleases Lord Keshava by offering him a lamp during the month of Kartika, then by the mercy of the Lord, then ancestors in the family will attain liberation. No sins exist anywhere in the 3 worlds that will not be purified by offering a lamp to Lord Keshava during Kartika. A person who offers a lamp to Lord Damodara in the month of Kartika attains the eternal spiritual world where there is no suffering. The Vrata begins on 20th October and one may observe the following foremost activities throughout the entire month of Kartika. Japa, chanting of the holy names of the Lord, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Try to chant minimum 16 rounds. Worship Krishna by offering ghee lamps, flowers, incense, food, etc. Worship of Tulsi Devi, circumambulating Tulsi, giving charity, perform austerities.
Now let us see how to offer ghee lamp to Lord Damodar. 4 times to the lotus feet, 2 times to the heart of the Lord, 3 times to the lotus face, 7 times to the whole body. You can use a cotton wick dipped in ghee, either with a lamp or wrapped around dry tulsi stick. After offering ghee lamp, please offer tulsi leaves to the lotus feet of the Lord.
Hare Krishna.
भजमाना